Brandon Eckenrode of CREF, a pleasure to see you, sir. How
Absolutely.
are you today?
Wonderful.
We are standing outside CIC here at SEMA 2023 in Las Vegas. How's the show going for you so far?
Incredible show so far, the beginning of the week, so lots more good stuff to see out on the show floor, but great industry meeting so far, and
Awesome.
happy to be here.
Fantastic. Talk to me a bit about CIC. That's where you've been all morning, or roughly all morning.
Yep.
Anything jump out at you there? Maybe a really good panelist on the consolidation panel, for example?
Yep, that one was good, and I actually just left, and they had some instructors and students up on stage, just kind of emphasizing to the industry about what they need is the industry get involved with the schools. So you have a great example up there with Contra Costa College and College of Lake County with the Collegiate Engineering Program. But what they emphasize is that the industry needs to get involved with the schools if they want to see a better product come out of them.
Phenomenal. Talk to me about what you guys have going on this week. I know there's a big announcement coming out tomorrow, which will be after this is released, so nothing too confidential, but some exciting stuff. Tell us about it.
CREF's got a great week planned. This morning we had an instructor roundtable, so we were able to gather the instructors that were in town and get some feedback from them on what we're doing well, what we need to maybe do better to assist them. But then tomorrow morning during our benchmark grant breakfast, that's where we will be announcing nearly $700,000 in monetary grants out to schools that applied for our benchmark grant. So we're excited to be surprising some instructors, and all that is made possible by our incredible industry partners.
Congratulations, and thank you for everything you guys are doing for the industry. That's some exciting news. Long week ahead. Anything you're excited about outside of that? What do you want to see while you're here at the show?
Tonight we're recognizing two industry individuals at the Red Carpet Awards. So we will be recognizing Pam Watson, who is a volunteer down in the Miami area, and then also
Pam well.
You know Pam well?
She's great.
Yes, incredible. And what she does locally is exactly what we need to have happen around the country when it comes to getting involved with the schools at the local level, and then also recognizing Audi and Volkswagen, as they just recently donated 78 brand new 2023 vehicles that we were able to give to schools so that the students have current model technology to practice and work on to prepare them to go into the industry.
Outstanding, man. Some really exciting stuff coming out of SEMA this year.
Yes.
Thank you again for everything you and CREF do, and here's to a great show.
Absolutely, and thank you for the support of helping to get the word out there. So thank you, Cole.